Okay, let me take you through the Athena AT1 steam mop attachment kit in less than 2 minutes. In the packet, you're going to find 2 straight extensions. You will find 1 bent extension. There is a mop head and then a mop cloth. So to assemble the kit, you're going to find the extension with the flange on the end, and you're going to plug this together with the other straight extension bar. You'll take the bent extension, clip that on the end, like so. Then the mop head pushes onto the bent extension, just like that. And lastly, you'll take the mop cloth, lie that over the mop head, tuck the edges under, and clamp it down nice and secure, just like that. So to put the AT1 mop attachment onto the steamer, you're going to, I find it easier to take that top extension off, find the molded line on the extension, and line that up with the single green line on top of the steamer. So you put the 2 pieces together, 2 lines line up, and then you turn 90 degrees like that with a nice secure attachment. After that's done, you can put the 2 straight extensions back together, and you're all ready to steam or mop your hard floors and carpets. To remove the attachment, just rotate 90 degrees, pull these 2 pieces apart, and then you can break this down very easily again for storage. So there you go. If you do need further assistance with this product, please feel free to get in contact at any stage.